Hi everyone, welcome back to Humble Traders 101. In today's video, I will be sharing a simple forex trading strategy using EMA pullbacks. We always use this as part of our SIWA trading system alongside Gann cycles, which we have recently been explaining in some of our videos. And this strategy is designed to help day traders, whether they are beginners, swing traders, or even position traders in trading the forex market, whether it is gold, commodities, and what have you. So let us go straight to the charts for me to show you everything that is entailed in this very important strategy. Okay, welcome back. And today we are going to just give an update about that um, a 15-minute back count that we were doing using the Gann concept, as we were targeting the 144th candle to be painted. But along the way, we will still have to be facing some important numbers also, such as the 45, the 90 number. So we started from here, and you can watch the previous videos to see how we arrived at this point. I will link them down below. This was the 144th candle that completed, and so before another one began, there had to be some series of reactions by price, and that came and took the low of that same candle. As you can see here, we've been following that. Until it came to about 56 or 57 15-minute candles. Then it had this sharp reversal up here, as you can see. So immediately we saw this, we decided to enter. We actually caught part of this move, and it now rebalanced. It rebalanced back to the 61.8 Fibonacci level, as you can see by this Fibonacci tool here, and that level was strong enough for us to re-enter the position since it corresponded to our 200 EMA. As you can see, price sitting on that gray colored indicator, that EMA, that is our 200 EMA, and just below that you can also see it has returned back above the 144th candle, which we already marked by that horizontal line. So from there, we took a position and started counting a fresh cycle from this low here. So, and since this is the case, we need to target a fresh 144 candle. So we started counting, and right now, look at how we traded this. We actually traded this move, and what we are having right now is a pullback. And where did that pullback happen? Guess where? It happened after the 90th strong figure was reached, after the 90th master cycle was attained. And how did that happen? If you look at this, I'm not like trying to make this video too complicated. It's an update on the last video. If you want to understand fully, then you should watch at least the last video that I posted, and I'm going to link it down below. But we were counting from that first candle, that bottom there. Okay, look at it out. Let me quickly count it with you again. This very candle here, this one that looks like a doji, that was our first candle of reference on the 15-minute, and we were counting up, hoping to attain another 144th cycle. But we said that there will be what? Series of pullbacks, and we did the microcycle division on in the other video. You will see it if you go back there. You will see how we managed to divide this 144 candle that we're expecting into small microcycles that will enable us to monitor the process more efficiently. So as we were moving, we were getting closer to the 90th master number or master cycle, and I have said it, or I have always mentioned that whenever you see the number 90 and you're using Gann concept, then that 90 implies obstacle, redirection, or change. So whatever you are doing and you are approaching the number 90, then you should try and maybe scale out your position, wait to see what will happen before you get back on the on the trade. And we didn't do that because we're having a strategy account here. We want to see everything happen firsthand, so that's why we didn't take out the position. We only took out half of the position and we left half to endure the pullback. So I wanted to point out at a point where we got to the 76th candle, 75th candle, sorry. This was the 75th candle. Just be looking at the top left corner of your screen. That's the candle count. Look at the 75th candle here. So that's why I said 76th was here, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87. We're looking for 90, please. 87, 88, 89, 90. Look at the 90th candle. This small bodied red candle is the 90th candle. And then after that, what happened? There was this impulsive move up. This, I see it as deception. For you as a Gann student who trades with the Gann concept in mind, whenever you approach 90, just get ready to stay out of the market or stay on the sidelines until you see the reaction that would happen, because 90 in itself commands a lot of respect because it can cause the trend to shake. The trend can shake because it has attained the number 90. So that's what I'm about to show you now. See, this was the 91st candle here. Okay, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Look at this sharp pullback, because everything, for me, everything that comes after this 90th candle is subject to observation. I'm expecting that pullback because it is obstacle redirection or change. So that pullback happened sharply. In fact, sharply. If you had got on because you are expecting to see a 144 candle, if you had got on somewhere here, then you would be in soup when by the time the candle reaches here. Maybe your account might be wiped out even. Look at the sharp move down until it touched the 200 EMA on 15 minutes. That's deep. Okay, so but immediately, because we were expecting that kind of move, we actually waited. We waited for it to complete and then we took position. Let me show you in the account I did that. This was a demo account. This one is a demo account. I'm taking you to the real account. The account that we took from $2 to where we are right now. So I'm going to show you the orders on that account. Look at the orders. The orders are here. Look at it. We took another entry. Immediately, that price hit the 200 EMA, because we already knew that we anticipated this whole move down. Price needs to rebalance or redirect for another leg up. But all these are all within the 144th candle, 144 master cycle. So with that in mind, even if we had this to be our 90th candle, okay, we will still see, have we attained the 144 already? Look at it. From the 91 candle, let us count, then add it to, we already have 90 back. Let's count what we have here up to here. This is 14, 15, or okay, this is the end of it. You see, it painted 15 downwards after the 90th candle. So if you say, sorry, 14, right? 14 plus 90, that is 104 already. Okay, so let's have the remaining candles. How many do we have? We have up to 35. We have up to like 35 candles or 34. Is it 35? It's 35. 35 candles. Okay, no, 34 candles. So let's add up 34 plus 90. What do we have? What do you have? 34 plus 90. Can we have our calculator? Let us check. Okay, 34 plus 90. We have 124. So already, let's try to subtract this from 144. 144. So we are still expecting 20 more candles to be painted for another 144 to be reached on this time frame. I hope this is becoming clearer. So where we are right now at the market, price has rebalanced. At least that is what we believe. And come market open, if there is no much pullback, as in maybe a reaction to market open, maybe a gap down or something, then we should be in these trades as we are, as we ride back up until we attain the 144 cycle. And as we are approaching maybe around 145 or the 45th candle, 145th candle, no, since we are expecting 144 master cycle, we will be scaling out at around 140 or even before that, because right now we are around 124. So we are expecting 20 more candles or so, and let's say around 15 candles or even 10 more candles of 15 minutes, you should begin to maybe watch out for the next move that will happen, and maybe scale out or even stay on the sidelines and then continue observing what will happen when we reach there. Because definitely when a master cycle such as 144 becomes complete, it means time and price is have squared, and time and price are now equal, and that means there could be another pullback, and that pullback may get to where you are, especially if you are like day trading. If you are day trading, then it may get to you. But if you are swing trading, you must have entered around, let's see, you must have entered around the first candle that we started counting at. Okay, you must have entered around here. That was the first candle in the fresh 144 master cycle that we started counting from, and this pullback may not get to where you are. So it means for those people who have entered at a position such as here, you shouldn't wait for that pullback. You just get out and then stay on the sidelines and see what happens. Where would price target next? And by the time it finishes the pullback, you can now look for a SIWA entry using your EMA cascading system. Okay, so this is exactly the update I intend to bring to you to just prove more to you how powerful GAN concept is, and how it works perfectly with our SIWA strategy, which we are preaching on this channel. If you like our videos already and you are gaining value due to clarity or simplicity, please drop a like. And if you want to see more videos on GAN concept, you can just like and drop the word GAN in the comment section, and I will be bringing more concerning these GAN time cycles. That is the way we use GAN at SIWA, at Humble Traders, using our SIWA trading system. Thank you very much for staying with us. I will see if there is no more to tell you on this, and then I will just upload until we wait for market open to see how everything pans out. Thank you for staying with us, and I wish you all a profitable trading week. So let's quickly add a little on Bitcoin. A lot of people are calling Bitcoin down, but as we said, this was our 44th candle. We are beginning a new cycle in Bitcoin too. On the 15-minute, we also cited the 144th candle, which was around this level, and then we will be looking at that level to see it taken out by any move in trying to rebalance. And I believe you can see the endeavor that price has been in. It has been in this endeavor to target that low. So maybe we could have a kind of push down to that level just to take out that low, and then maybe rebalance and start a fresh cycle. But all this, as you can see, all these moves are after the 144th candle, and that is this low here where we actually placed our the red horizontal line to serve as a point of reference. So for those calling Bitcoin lower, I don't think Bitcoin will go much low or lower that before it reverses and heads back up, because also Bitcoin, just like gold, has completed a master cycle in this special month of December 2025 from its 2015 low up till now. That is 120 months, that is 10 years of trading in the upper trajectory, and now it has formed a higher low. Now the same thing, if you look to 2013 backwards, it's also shows you that 144 trading months have completed still on this December 2025 candle. So what is happening in Bitcoin is similar to what is happening in gold already. So for me, I don't see Bitcoin going much lower from here, but I'm looking at that level 89304.82 to be taken out by Bitcoin before it heads back up. That is, you can see you can even see it has a lot of liquidity accumulating below that region or at that region, and ours is to watch what price will do. Meanwhile, we keep our line intact so that we use it as a point of reference. If it chooses not to, then in any case it is getting ready to return back up for another 144 master cycle on 15 minutes. So let us stay tuned as we watch how the events unfold. Happy trading.